So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of objects in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is go to create new and then click on image and go to either Instagram posts or some custom size. So on there, go to an image and I've just added this random image to show you guys how to adjust the color of objects. So there's on here a lot of layers. So you can see these are individual parts of any image, and you can see there's a lot of them, and there's a lot of settings that you can do. So let's click the biggest one on the image, this one right here, and you can see it opens up a lot of things like filters. So if I use some different filters, you can see it already changes the colors up. If I choose none on here, there will be none. So you can go into effects as well, so you can change stuff like that. You can go to adjust. So if you wish to change the warmth of the color, you can see a lot of it is changing. On there you can see the light, the contrast, highlight, and so on. So you can see the textures as well. Under the opacity, you can even choose to make it more visible or less, and you can use smart tools as well for it to look a bit different, especially the thing that you're setting up right now. And you can see apply the color theme, which will again, you can see some effects taking place there as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.